Okay, odds are if you guys clicked on this video is because you have the VLAND Audi taillights installed on your Lancer, Evo, Rallyart, however. They're all pretty much the same. And you might be having the same issue I'm having right now. And today's video, we're going to go ahead and correct that. And hopefully I can spread the awareness. And the quick, easy, simple fix. And that is with the help of resistors. So stay tuned if that's something that you guys are here for. And hopefully we'll get that fixed for you guys. Because let's face it, having something that you can't really use is very annoying. So if you have a backup camera set up and you can't use it, yeah, that's not something too fun. Okay, so the way we're going to go ahead and correct this little deficiency, little setback for these VLAND Audi style taillights is with the use of resistors, as I've already previously mentioned. So these are just bought off Amazon. Can't remember the exact price, but I don't think they're more than 15 bucks. But yeah, so it's just a little box right here, a little resistor, little 50 watt. Nothing too crazy there. And so yeah, we're going to go ahead, get everything prepped, expose those wires, and get these installed and see if it works. Okay, now that you have your trunk liner removed, you have easy access to all the wires that you're going to be needing in today's little project. So here's our handy dandy resistors. Keep in mind the one that I ordered, and I'll link below, comes with 4 total resistors, but you're only going to really need 1. And I'll show you what's up with that. So here's your resistor. It's your little 50 watt, like I was talking about. All right. Here it's got 2 ends. Okay. So this is when you're going to need your wire cutters, or wire strippers. A glove if you got sweaty hands like I do. That's just going to make your life a little easier when you got to hold the wire. Just strip it. So here you go. I think this is like a 14 gauge slot. Remove the insulation. And here's your wire. We're just going to go ahead and twist that. Same as the other side. Just gonna go ahead and prep everything. And here's your other side, so we're just gonna go ahead and give that a nice little twist. Voila, that's how your wire should be looking. Okay, here is our resistor. It's not mounted yet, just because I don't really fully trust this electrical tape. Basically, I'm using the electrical tape because the crimping tools that they gave us wasn't really the greatest, so electrical tape just to make sure everything works properly, which it did. I'll show you guys in a second. But here's how everything is wired right here. So you got the white to white on one side of the resistor, and then the other side of the resistor you got the black to black. So basically that's how it's going to sit in there, and I already tested it, it works, and I'll go ahead and show you guys real quick. Yeah, go ahead, reverse. And as you can tell, the LEDs are not coming off after a couple seconds. And then I'm coming around to the front of the car. Back of camera is still on. Keep in mind these get extremely hot, so it's not something you want to tape down or anything. So I'm actually going to be ending up mounting it right here against the hood of the trunk, and we'll be good from there. So again, I'd highly recommend buying some good pair of crimpers, some ferrules, and probably some waterproofing. That'll help you guys out in the long term. But for now, this electrical tape is going to work. But yeah, that's going to be it for today's video. I'm not going to show you guys, but I'm going to come back in here later on. I'll mount this with some little set screws, and then I'll come back and I'll re-hit these wires to do it properly. But as for now, that's good enough, as this isn't my daily driver, and it will still do the job. Okay, hopefully this video helps you guys out and you find some kind of informational value out of this. Go ahead and knock this out, because it's something that's pretty much a safety issue. If you guys have the VLAND Audi style taillights, not only is it a safety thing, it's more of a convenience thing now that you can use your backup camera again. So all is well again. Like I said, I'm going to go back and hit everything up, as I would recommend you guys do the same. But now you know the correct, easy fix for that tail light issue. So if you guys have any questions or comments and concerns, lay them down in the description box or the comment box, and I'll try to address them as quickly and efficiently as I can. Other than that, I just want to say thanks for watching, thanks for the continued support, and with that being said, I want to say never live your life on idle, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. So real quick, I ended up adding some steering relief, so I have a zip tie here holding these together, another one there where our splices are, and then yeah, so this is kind of floating here for now, but it's also attached right here. There's a mounting little hole that I have another zip tie there, so ain't gonna really go anywhere too crazy. I'm gonna put the cover back on and we'll be set, but that's how it's sitting right now, and I'll keep you guys updated on how it works.